This is an old arcade 10-inch bandsaw that I got off my brother. It's from the 1930s or early 40s. Pretty good shape, has a couple issues. One of them, I gotta have to deal with this guide block system and the bearing behind the blade. And it looks like it's needs some attention under here. My dad bought this from somebody back in the 70s and it sat in our attic for years. And my brother got a hold of it. He said there was an issue with this tensioner back here, but I have lathes and mill machines. I can make whatever I need to fix that. And it's free. It spins. It's pretty heavy cast iron. I think it weighs 50 pounds. I can't seem to find very much information about it. There's only 3 of them in the Vintage Machinery website. So I'm going to tear it apart and restore it and get it working again. Well, it came apart pretty easy. Now I got to just start cleaning it up and painting it, putting it back together. I saw a ad about these from the 30s, said they sold for $18. Okay, well, I've got things painted up here. I'm going to start putting her back together. All the bearings look very good. All the pieces are turning out to be pretty good shape. Well, I got it pretty much all back together. Got some new tires on it. Now I got to come up with a stand for it. Thought about making one, but a couple of them on Craigslist could work. So, give it a shot. I came across this stand here. I'm going to mount the saw on. A piece of wood here I'm going to put on top. And I have some 4-inch U-bolts. I can make a bracket to hold the motor underneath. Well, I got the saw together. Got a motor mounted on it. It's a 1/4 horse capacitor start motor. And it seems to work pretty good.